Hi everybody, I'm Michael Day and I'm standing here at the National Bowling Stadium and I'm inviting you to come join us for the NCET Tech Wednesday on February 12th. We're inviting you here to the National Bowling Stadium for your event. And when you get here, you're going to see 98 of the world's finest bowling lanes that are available to you. I'm very proud to be the general manager of ASM Global. ASM Global began in 1977, managing the Superdome in New Orleans, which we still manage today. We manage the largest number of convention centers, arenas, stadiums, and specialty events centers such as this all around the world. And we're excited to have you come down here and see the National Bowling Stadium. We've just completed a $4.5 million renovation. For those of you who maybe aren't the avid bowler, if you're a golfer, you dream about golfing the greens of Augusta one day. And if you're a bowler, you dream of rolling your ball on these lanes here at the National Bowling Stadium. So we're really looking forward to having you all here. Don't miss it. It's NCET Tech Wednesday on February 12th.